Imagine transforming that tiny patch of green outside your urban dwelling into a lush, inviting oasis. It might seem like a tall order, but trust us, it's entirely possible. Today, we're diving deep into the world of small backyard design, offering practical tips and inspiring ideas to maximize your outdoor space. Let's turn your backyard dreams into reality, one plant at a time. They say good things come in small packages, and that certainly holds true for your backyard. Let's unlock the secrets to maximizing every inch of your outdoor space. Start by assessing your backyard shape and orientation. This will help you determine the best layout for your needs. Consider multifunctional furniture that can serve multiple purposes, like a bench that doubles as storage. Vertical gardening is a game changer for small spaces. Explore options like living walls, hanging planters, and trellis-grown vines to add greenery without sacrificing floor space. Transform your backyard into a thriving urban jungle by selecting the right plants. Opt for low-maintenance varieties that can thrive in your specific climate and light conditions. Consider incorporating edible plants into your garden for a functional and sustainable approach. Herbs, small vegetables, and even dwarf fruit trees can flourish in containers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heights and textures to create visual interest. Your backyard should be an extension of your indoor living space. Let's create an outdoor haven where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the fresh air. Choose outdoor furniture that's both stylish and practical. Consider weather-resistant materials like teak, aluminum, or wicker. Incorporate comfortable seating options, such as cushioned chairs or hammocks. Don't forget about lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar-powered spotlights can create a magical ambiance. Adding a personal touch to your backyard is incredibly rewarding. Let's unleash your inner DIY enthusiast with some practical and inspiring projects. Build a raised garden bed to maximize growing space and add visual interest. Create a vertical herb garden using repurposed pallets or hanging planters. Transform old crates, ladders, or even tires into unique planters or decor pieces. Remember, a small backyard is a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. With a little creativity and planning, you can create an outdoor space that's both beautiful and functional. Don't be afraid to experiment and make your backyard a reflection of your personal style. Stay tuned for more home and garden inspiration. Subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos on indoor plants, balcony gardening, and more.